back. Here's some more. Waiting for you guys to go past.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, that was my cousin and his lady's friend. From what I was just told, where that glump of debris is, was how high the water was. So just imagine if there was water right now, you would not be able to see any of this, nor would I be walking down here. That's the way we came. This is supposed to be the family area. It's a nice little GMC sitting there. And I'm not quite sure where we are walking to now. I'm just off in the back of everyone blogging about it. And again, this is... Adam, say the name. Lazy Day Camping and Canoeing. Located in St. Roberts. So, the first video I just did, I was right, St. Roberts, Missouri. Hey, let's camp right here tonight, guys.
A log on the can thing.
Except the mosquitoes are terrible right here.
Oh yeah, right now with that swamp water.
And there's the river. And it's pretty sad what flooding can do. I personally have never seen the aftermath of river flooding or anything, but this is, it's not my cup of tea. It's not just, it's sad, I guess is the word I'm trying to say. Well, y'all have a nice day, and I will be back in a few hours with more videos, hopefully. So, just keep watching.